everybody, welcome back to the Metal Scrap channel. The weather is getting better and better. Starts to look like summer, so that gave me a new idea. Summer, playing in the sand, maybe on the beach, I don't know, but here's some sand for shapes. So I'll make a new series. So we're back in the shed and I have figured it out. We will have a pirate team with a cannon, pirate, a skull and a Jolly Roger. We will have a Animals of the Sea episode, but I think it will be 2 episodes because I think I will do first one half and then the other half. And we'll have a series with Miffy and yeah, well, I have a foot. So let's start out with the pirate series today. I will ram them up in the casting sand and I will make these ones out of brass because it has a golden look and I think that will fit perfectly with the pirate team. Right, let's put them in the sand. Right, cut. I was thinking, I'm not putting them inside the cope and the drag, only one half, so I will just pour it in like I'm looking at it. But I got these winding pins. If we would flip this, they will be standing on these pins, so I think this is not smart. I will use the other side instead. Alright you guys, finished ramming up the flask, but when I was lifting it up, just broke loose. So yeah, we have to start over again. So this was 30 minutes of work for nothing. Let's do it again. I think the problem is it's a little bit too dry. So put some moisture in it and mix it up again. Right, I think this will go much better, so let's try it again.
A few moments later.
Alright, keep our fingers crossed. Second attempt. Right, this looks much better. Right, so the pirate has already fallen off. Got my doubts about the teeth and the eyes and the nose, the skull. Right, so the cannon did not came out that good what I wanted, but still okay I guess. The pirate flag is a success. Almost. I'm just going to cast this. Maybe it still looks like a skull after all. So as you can see, the sand is sticking inside, yeah, these parts. So here we at the furnace, and again, people stay safe and work safe. Last week I had some splatters in my face, so even when filling the furnace, wear a face shield. For metals containing zinc, wear a respirator. Use some good gloves. I have a fire retarding jacket, leather shoes. I take my crucible out with this, the lifter. I made this myself. You can check it on one of my earlier videos, how I made that. Because if you always will pour with the hinge style tongs, the crucible will fail at the edges. And I bought this one from Etsy to pour, dus my pouring tongs. So make sure to work safe. If something happens, there will not be that much damage. And this is what we are going to melt. So a bit of this and all of this. So let's start up the furnace and let's melt some metals. So this will make a great start. Let's put on the furnace and melt it. Alright you guys, so it took me 1 hour and 20 minutes. I just lacked a little bit of metal for the skull, but I think we can see the bones. So it was very bubbly because of all the moisture in the sand. So curious how they turned out. Let's quench the ingots first. Right, it's time to get the sand shapes out. Don't think it's gonna be very pretty. Now let's see the quenching. I'll add the skull. I guess this will be hot, very hot, so I'll be back with some cold water. Right, I'm back with some cold water, and I think the ones I would not think they would turn out that great are looking the best. So there's a little bit sand, but we can see definitely a skull, and I think once this will be cleaned up, it will look pretty nice. So that's the skull, the cannon. This came out pretty good. So need a little bit of grinding maybe. Now we have the flag. And I really need to clean this because otherwise you can't see it. And the pirate itself. I'm going to clean these ones up and see if they came out a little bit. Alright, so here are the results. I was thinking the cannon and the skull were not that good because there was missing some sand. And these were my best two, but if you look at this, yeah, you can see it's a pirate, but a lot of bubbles. The flag, yeah, we got some booty, yeah, pirate booty. The cannon, which came out pretty decent, and we have the skull. And I grinded them so they could lay flat. It's not my best pores, I guess, but that's the skull. And we have here the cannon, the gun. And I should grind away some excess metal, but pretty happy with those two. Then we have the pirate flag. Well, this is ancient, eh? This is old pirate stuff. So and here's the pirate itself. I think each weighs around 1 kilo. So don't have my scales here. And we have some bars, and I think there was some other metal inside, but let's say it's just brass. Right, let's put them in the safe. Alright, so we're back at the safe. I was just curious about how much it would weigh, so first of all let's put a chicken back in the safe, because it's not Easter anymore. So we have one golden egg or chicken, and then we have the brass. I think it's a little bit silvery colored. It's not the same color as that. That's brass. This, maybe it will tarnish a little bit. I don't know. So let's first weigh up the ingots. That is at 0. So we have one big bar of 885 grams. Sorry, my battery is low, so 546 grams for the medium-sized one. Then we have the finger bar. That will make it 203 grams. And then we have the cast iron bar, 292. So to add as ingots, I have a total of 1928 grams, almost 2 kilos or 4 pounds. So let's put them in the stack. I hope you all guys can see this. It's a little bit dark now. Sorry for that. I just wanted to add some brass to the safe. So that's why I did the pores. The ingot pores, and I didn't have one of those. So alright, so let's weigh up let's first weigh up the pirate with buckshot in his head. So he wanted to try to steal the loot of the pirates because he's a pirate. Arr. So he got shot in his head. That's my story. Alright, well, we have a pirate of 1100 grams. It's a big pirate, he's a fat guy. So, on you go. Maybe here. Don't know yet how I'm going to stack those. The second one is the flag. So the pirate was standing in front of the flag when they shot the shotgun. Because this is also some pretty big holes. And it weighs 1300 grams. And this really looks like an ingot. So this will stack if I make a lot of these. make a fit between there. Oh yeah, that's a perfect fit. Now, which one? The cannon or the skull? I think I'll go for the cannon. This came out pretty decent. It's a cannon of 1082 grams. So we're already over 3 kilos with the shapes. Together with 2 kilos, 5 kilos. So let's see. The skull also came out pretty well. Yeah, there's some sand that was missing. I can grind it off, but still like it like this. It's just like it is. Yeah, some skulls just dug out of the dirt or something. I don't know. But alright, let's weigh it up. And that is 1050 grams. So all in the range of 1 kilo. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2 kilos, 6 kilos of brass. So that's it for today. Yeah, I'm lacking some light, so too bad. Right, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Do not forget to subscribe to see more meltings. This is the first of the summer series, the pirate team. So the next team could be Miffy or could be sea animals. Who knows? So thanks for watching. Hit a bell button and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.